Welcome to HomePan TriPro. Today we are taking a deep dive into the Nuwave Precision Induction Cooktop Gold. If you have been looking for a way to upgrade your kitchen setup, whether you are in a dorm, an RV, or just need an extra burner for holiday cooking, this might be the most versatile tool you can add to your countertop. Let us start with the core technology. The Nuwave Gold is an induction powerhouse. Unlike traditional electric burners that heat up a coil and wait for it to transfer heat to your pan, induction uses magnetism to excite the molecules in your cookware directly. This means almost zero energy is wasted, and it is incredibly fast. What sets the Nuwave Gold apart is its temperature range. You get 96 individual temperature settings, ranging from 100 degrees Fahrenheit all the way up to 575 degrees. That top end is a game changer for anyone who wants a proper, restaurant-quality sear on a steak. One of the standout features here is the build quality. The surface is made of heavy-duty, shatter-proof ceramic glass. Nuwave has engineered this to handle intense heat without cracking, and because the surface itself does not generate heat, you do not have to worry about the accidental burns associated with traditional coil stoves. It is portable, slim, and incredibly responsive. If you need to crank up the heat for a stir-fry or drop it down to a gentle simmer for a delicate sauce, the changes are immediate. I really appreciate the wattage flexibility. You can toggle between 700, 900, and 1500 watts. This is a brilliant feature for people living in off-grid cabins, campers, or dorm rooms where electrical circuits might be limited. You can manage your power usage without sacrificing the ability to cook a full meal. Now, let us talk about the pros and cons. On the positive side, the precision is unmatched. Having the ability to fine-tune your temperature in 5-degree increments is a level of control that most professional chefs would envy. The safety features are also top-tier, as the unit automatically shuts off when the timer finishes or when it detects that no cookware is present. It is basically foolproof. On the flip side, keep in mind that you must use induction-compatible cookware. If a magnet does not stick to the bottom of your pot or pan, it will not work on this unit. Also, while the digital controls are intuitive, there is a slight learning curve if you are used to the simple dial of an old-school stove. However, once you get the hang of it, you will likely never want to go back. In conclusion, the Nuwave Precision Induction Cooktop Gold is an impressive piece of engineering. It brings professional-level heat control to a compact, portable format. Whether you are limited by space or just want to bring more precision to your culinary workflow, this is a fantastic investment. It is durable, safe, and surprisingly powerful for its size. Link in the description.